Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Google Home Speaker Gemini latency issue, speed up slow response time. Fix 1. Perform a complete power cycle. Unplug your Google Home or Nest speaker from the power outlet. Then unplug your Wi-Fi router from the wall outlet. Now leave both the devices unplugged for 60 seconds. Then plug the router back in and wait until the internet connection is fully restored. After that, plug your Google Home speaker back in and wait for the speaker to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Then test it with a voice command. Fix 2. Refresh your Gemini voice assistant settings. Open the Google Home app, then go to Settings, then go to Google Assistant, then go to Languages. Now remove any language you don't actively use, leaving only your primary language. Retrain voice match to create a fresh voice profile. Fix 3. Improve your Wi-Fi connection. Run an internet speed test near your speaker. Move the speaker closer to your router if the signal is weak. Avoid connecting the speaker to guest or restricted IoT networks. If your router has a separate 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, connect the speaker to the 5 GHz band for lower latency when the signal is strong. Fix 4. Clean up Google Home app. Open the Google Home app, remove devices you no longer use. Now delete outdated rooms and virtual scenes. Simplify complex routines and automations, especially those containing multiple AI actions. Then save your changes and restart the speaker. Fix 5. Check for firmware updates. Open the Google Home app and select your Google Home or Nest speaker. Then tap on Settings, which is the gear icon. Then check the device information to verify it is running the latest firmware version. And leave the speaker powered on and connected to Wi-Fi so any available update can install automatically. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.